Today's topic: cat's day life. A cat is some previous animal in the world. Cats, they like licking themselves. By the way, one of the way cleaning themselves is to lick their fur. That's why they have a mouth full of fur. Sometimes a cat is good, sometimes a cat is bad. Cats too always eat rice or any meat like birds, worms. They also eat vegetables like grass. And their enemies is dogs. That's for all. Cat's day life. Next topic for tomorrow's lesson.